Walking the path of spirit requires that we cultivate a highly refined life force energy field within us and around us. A field that carries the spiritual dimensions of our life within it. It also requires a highly refined state of mindfulness. As we develop internal awareness, we can be assured that we can become and act as a radiant beacon of light for ourselves and our world. The deepest wounds of separation are healed at this level of consciousness, reminding us that nothing about our character, our relationships, and our life is written in stone. We can create new realities for ourselves, realities that serve us better. This can occur by directing and creating circumstances that bring us to the awareness of truth, love, and healing. How we implement all these attributes and qualities in our lives and relationships is always our choice. We can make it fun and creative, or serious and challenging. But the task of reconciliation is ours alone to do. Creating our dreams embodies all of our longings and desires. They hold the promise of love through our spiritual connect as possibilities to be fulfilled. It is important to realize that we are co-creators with our source of all that is, and therefore there is nothing we cannot create in our lives. Positive intentionality is focus and clarity of mind, working to align our feelings and desires with our hopes for our highest good and greatest joy. Intention lets us consciously claim that which we want is manifesting with each positive thought. Back up your dream life with an absolute knowing, having faith that they will manifest, and feel the love and gratitude. Faith lives in our hearts to remind us that faith can move mountains. It is the essential ingredient for our hopes and dreams to manifest. Faith sees us through our challenges and reminds us that we are all divine children, capable of co-creating our best life. Faith gives us the courage to carry us through the deserts and out of the shadows into living our best life. Faith is the guiding light. Gratitude fills our heart with a sense of plenty and abundance. This releases us from disappointment. It sets our spirit free. It helps us to appreciate and honor life, recognizing that there is good in all things, and helps us to see all experiences as a blessing. Gratitude makes our life easier and helps us to live lighter, easing the spirit of heavy burdens. When we are grateful, we affirm who we are, and we affirm life itself. Forgiveness releases our heart from the burdens of negativity. Sometimes we want to place ourselves on a negativity diet. Forgiveness is currency for the soul. Without it, we would accumulate so many negative experiences, we would crumble under the weight we carry. Our heart would be heavy with anger, negativity, and stubbornness. We forgive for the sake of love. It sets the spirit free and opens the heart once again to love freely, and allows our life force energy to once again resume its natural flow.